Hey, Thomas here, and right now we're cutting up a very large piece of live oak for a customer here, and we've already got the nice top portion here all planed out and good to go and everything. The next cut down is going to go roughly 2¼ inches, cutting extremely slow, but I'll go ahead and leave this one real time so you can see how slow we're cutting this. Add a lot of water because this has actually been aged for a couple of years. This is like literally cutting concrete, but it's turning out great. You'll be very amazed what this looks like. So stand by, here we go. Yeah, so that was nearly a 4-minute long cut for one slab. But this is in fact live oak, and that is one heck of a cookie off of that. 33 inches one direction and 40 the other. Very very, very slow cut. I'll get a breakaway here for a second. We'll see if we get another picture here in a second. All right, folks, we got 2 slabs out of this one hunk of wood here. And the cookie piece right here, I mean, gorgeous. We just put some water on here. This is in fact live oak. This is a branch that was off of a massive live oak tree. And if you've ever cut live oak, you know, I always say there's only 2 woods I don't like cutting, hickory and live oak. However, this is actually phenomenal looking. This is gonna be a beautiful little tabletop here, a cookie tabletop. This could be really perfect to do some epoxy, maybe some bow ties or something like that. But very, very impressive looking wood. Very, very slow cutting. The first one of you saw, it was around 3 minutes and 30 seconds for the cut. I was cutting very slow, applying a lot of water and everything. And I know I'm just taking the set out of the blade, but I'm not too worried about it because I'll make sure we provide the best cut as possible. But this is gorgeous. And then the other piece over here, we have not dusted off yet. But again, 2 pieces, both of them around 2.5 inches thick, 32 inches that direction, 40 something inches that direction right there. So 2 beautiful cookies that we made some beautiful tables. So hope this is interesting, something different, something new, and that's just gorgeous. Stay tuned, we'll see you around. Thanks.